guys, so this is my personal vehicle, the guinea pig for No Limits. We will be changing that street bead to, well, you'll see later on in the video. Alright guys, so here's just some supplies that you're gonna need for taking out the decal and getting ready to prep it and to lay the new decal. Okay guys, so quick update. We took the decal off completely. Took all the adhesive off. Looks good. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see. Okay, so we're gonna use alcohol to clean the surface. So my decal is gonna start from this front end and go all the way to the back. So make sure you clean it real good. This is about 75% alcohol, 25% water. Alright guys, so what I did here is I added some memory marks with some tape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the backing off of this decal, spray it with water, and lay it on, and then squeegee it out. The memory marks are just so I can keep the same position that I want it to be in. So what I did is I went ahead and did the edges with the heat gun. And this is how you get that clean finish. You want to seal off your edges. Seal off your edges, razor everything